Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how you can transfer Wings website to client. To transfer ownership in your Wings website, first you will then need to go to your Wings account on Wings Studio. Once you're here, select the site that you want to share or transfer the ownership. And once you're here, you will now go to your dashboard, as you can see. Now, the next method here is by going to the settings right here in the left side of the screen. Once you click on the settings, then here you will find the general settings and then scroll down a bit and then click on this roles and permissions. Once you click on roles and permissions, you will now go to the next page. So here, as you can see, you will find your current owner, which is my account. Now go to the right side and click on the change owner button. Once you click on the change owner, here as you can see, transfer site to a new owner. So here you just need to enter the email address of your client. So for example, here I'm going to enter my second email. And then once you've done, as you can see, what would you describe them as? A client, an agency or freelancer or someone else? So this will be a client and then click on continue button. And then here you have two options if you want to keep your role as co-owner of this site after the transfer or create a copy of this site and keep it in your account. So here in my case, I'm going to check the first one here and then click on the continue button. And here, as you can see, you'll remain a co-owner of this site after transfer. So I confirm and understand that when I transfer this site, this account will be the new owner, including all site data and media or third-party services and account. So in this case, we're going to click on the button transfer ownership. Now, transfer invite sent. So you just need to wait for the client to receive the invite message to their email. And for example, once your client received the email here, so I'm going to open my second email and then click on the Wings email here in my inbox. So what they need to do here is basically just click on the accept transfer button right from here. So click on that. Now here, as you can see, you'll now go to this page. So you're currently signed into my current account, but the transfer invite was sent to different accounts. So first, I'm going to log out. So I'm going to click on sign out button here. So let's see. So here they just need to log in with their account or client's account here. So for example, I'm going to go to the second account. Now, once done, you'll now be directly go to your Wings dashboard. And here, as you can see, once you've done, then the transfer is now a success and they will now be able to see the website. Now let's go back to our main account here. So if we go back to our main account, for example, so I'm going to refresh or automatically refresh this page. And then as you can see the update list here, and you'll find your client is now the current owner of this account. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you in the next video.